Hello, folks. We all know how software development has evolved from basic one and zero to modern AI systems. But one thing remains same that is common is the language or programming language. Earlier, we used to use machine language, that is one and zeros, as it was difficult for us to write a programs using ones and zeros. This is basically what computer understands, but it is little difficult for a human being to write a program in this language. So evolved from machine language to assembly language programming, we generally called ASM. You might have seen like move a comma b in all those things. It was better than the ones and zeros, but it was still a little difficult as it was dependent on the architecture, computer architecture, that is x86 or 8080, like that. So we evolved from the assembly language program to high level languages like C, C++. Now we have come so far to Python. These are called as high level languages. These are called as high level languages. All these languages are also called as scripting languages. Scripting languages. Now I am going to start a series on Python, but this lecture series is not just like any other series. Here we might answer your question. The one application built into certain iOS devices. Sorry, my Alexa had started. Unfortunately. So, uh, so what we were discussing is it is not just uh, uh, Python classes like or Python lecture series like all other lecture series. Here we will be focusing mainly on the automation part. If you want to, let's say, if you want to send an email to someone at 5 p.m. evening, or for that matter, 2 a.m. in the late night, you can just write a Python program to send an email at 2 o'clock. So we will be using automation, heavy automation, but we will be starting from basics and we will go till advanced automation. We will be following this book. This book is called Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. We will be using this book to uh, go through these classes. So today we will just see the contents. You can see the brief contents here. We will start from the Python programming basics, Python basics, like what is variable, what is constant, how to just print hello world. All those are basics, data types, integer, float. And then we will be going and looking at the flow control. Here we will be seeing the conditional statements. That is if else. Then we will be looking the loops such as for loop, while loop, and all those things. Then we will see how to write functions. Functions are specific to one activity. For example, add is one function where you can just call that function to add the numbers. Then we will see the data types or data structures available in the function like lists, tuples. You have tuples here in the Python, you have list, then you have set, then you have dictionary. So we will be seeing all these data structures. Here you can see the dictionaries. Then we will see how to manipulate the strings. Strings are groups of characters. Groups of character. We will see that in the basics. Next, once the basics is done, we will see the automating tasks. We will be looking at the functionalities, like you can see the pattern matching with regular expressions. So we might, for example, in the phone book, you have a contacts here. Here you are searching. Okay. When you are searching, you need to match the patterns. There it will be useful. So we will see the pattern matching with regular expressions. Then we will see input validation, how to validate the data, incoming data, how to read and write to the files automatically, how to organize your file structure. We will see that, how to debug, how to do the web scraping. Now, Chat GPT has come. Chat GPT has been trained on the huge data from the internet. So that has been done through the web scraping. Web scraping is just getting the data from the web. Then we need to understand how to work with the Excel spreadsheet. In the data science and machine learning, you will be working with Pandas library. There, specifically, we will be using the Excel spreadsheet and also how to work with the Google Sheets, then how to work with the PDF and Word documents, how to extract the data from the PDF documents. Then we will be seeing CSV files and JSON data. CSV is nothing but comma separated values. JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation. So we will be seeing all this in the second part of the. Then we have, if we want to schedule, like how to keeping account of the time, you want to schedule the task. For example, you want to run one program every day morning or evening or whatever fixed time, or you want to launch the programs, there you can use the automation. As I have said to you in the earlier discussion, that how to send text messages or email automatically. You want to manipulate the images, or you want to control the keyboard and graphical user interface. Your mouse cursor or keyboard, you can control using Python automation. We will see all these things in this course. Basically, Python comes with the inbuilt modules. Also, we have a third-party modules. We will see how to install those using pip command. If you have any doubt on this discussion, or Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. Bye.